Welcome to the new Tambuli Seaside Resort, Seaside Resort and Spa. This has been my resort of my time way back in the 80s, but it has totally transformed into an excellent, beautiful 5-star accommodation and amenities, world-class resort. The new Tambuli Seaside Resort here in Maribago, Mactan Island, Cebu. And today, we, upon the invitation of our dear college batchmates from the University of San Carlos Theater Guild, Cookie and Betty Walden, it is a mini reunion of thespians, artists, actors, performer here, sprawling swimming pool. This is my first vlog featuring the world-class Tambuli Seaside Resort and Spa. Revisiting Tambuli Beach Resort, no? Awesome beachfront. Look at that one. Na-develop na yun nila. This used to be an iconic and most popular resort way back in the 80s. Now, na-restore na yun nila. Branding it the new Tambuli Resort. Ganda. White sand. Privacy. Clear water. Sparkling clear water. There you are. Wow. All white sand. Mga kalakwatsera. So beautiful. It's a beautiful day. Look at that one. Tambuli Beach Resort. Ganda. Serenity at its finest. Mas gipalapdan gyud nila. Tambuli during my time was a bit smaller. But this time, talagang lapad kaayo, no? And look at the water. Limpyo gyud kaayo. Walay mga dikya. Okay? Such a lovely place, especially those who are so particular with privacy. At its finest here. If you want a privacy, dirini siya sa Tambuli. Okay? There you are. Ooh. Good morning, everybody. It's a blessed and beautiful day here in Tambuli. Oh, diba? Here in Mactan Island, a very private, comfortable, cozy, and world-class beach resort, Tambuli. The beach front ng Tambuli. Oh, white sand gyud. So lovely. Kani mga function rooms na nila, and mauna ni siya diri ang mga how many pools ni ano murag upat ka large pools. Diri for adults, for kids. Daghan kayong mapilian. 1, 2, 3, 4 nga swimming pool ang mapilian ninyo if you stay here, or siguro mag-day use mo. But what is very interesting is ang beachfront good nila. Yeah. Ay, kakul sa tubig. Oh, come see. White sand. Serenity and privacy at its finest. Here sa Tambuli. Such a beautiful day with sunrise, captivating sunrise here. Yan. O sana, egg omelette. Yeah. One of the prettiest Cebuana during my time. I haven't seen her for more than 40 years.
40 years, decades.
Just cook, and she's still gorgeous. Karon na ta magsigig istorya taon-taon. Okay. There you are. Good morning, everybody.
Sana tayo chat group ha?
Yes. Dila. Having breakfast here. Ang mga thespians from the University of San Carlos Theater Guild. Mga thespian. Ay, video ni siya. Good morning. Ang reunion ni nato.
You're crazy!
Ang mga thespian. Yan. That's our Serbian. Good morning, sir. Good morning.
They're not even married. My youngest is 32. I have 5 kids, 32. No one got married. They don't like gay.